How to remove a card on Elevenlabs. Hello friends, welcome to another Elevenlabs tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can remove a card on Elevenlabs. So if this is your question, you've come to the right place, so ensure you watch to the end, alright? The first step is to log in into your Elevenlabs account, just like I've done here. Move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu, then scroll down until you can see your profile name. And by clicking on that, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see options like profile, API key, subscription, payout, etc. Then click on the subscription option. By clicking on subscription, you will be taken to the subscription page. On this page, move to the right side of the screen and click on Manage Billing Info. By clicking on that, you'll be taken to your billing information page where you would see your payment method, you would see your billing information and your invoices. So in order for you to remove a card, I'm sure that you have added the payment method already and the card will be included there. All right. So once you can see that, you would move to the right side of the screen, and by the right side of the screen, you will see the option for you to remove card. All right, you see the option for you to remove card. Click on it. Once you click on that, you'll be asked if you're sure that you would like to delete or remove this card as the payment method. Click yes or confirm, and then just like that, the card would be successfully removed. All right, so that is it. That is how you can remove card. And then if perhaps you could not see the option for you to remove card there, it means that the card you're using is your default means of payment. So you can just add another card, then the remove card option would be available. Click on it and that is it. So I hope this answers your question. If it has, ensure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more enlightening videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.